Hi everyone, my name is GREYTEST. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me on any of these lines. Okay. Today I'll be taking you through Autocad 2023. You can see here written Autodesk Autocad LT 2023. Okay. So this is Autocad 2023. You can see how the interface looks like. It's actually cool, yeah. Look at it here. You can see they have changed their logo. It's no longer like this, the way it used to be. Now it's like this. Okay. Great, right? If you come to your home tab, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, collaborate. Let's see, exports, DWFX, DWF. Yeah, this DWF, create a DWFX or PDF file and allows you to set individual page setup overrides on a sheet by sheet basis. PDF you can export directly to PDF from here. Okay, nice. Let's plot and see. Okay, so well, you can see how the interface is like. It's actually great, right? To vertical. Okay. Alright. If you love what you're seeing, why not just like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on the weekly, sometimes on the daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, make sure you stay safe, stay blessed.